Hello, Ms. Watson. Hi, this is Tony Finley coming to you live here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Hey, 1 mile up the road from the gallery on Highway 31. Ms. Watson, you inquired about a 2017 or 18 Genesis G80. Whereas you probably know the G80 and the Genesis product is our new luxury design vehicle here at Hyundai. Now, this vehicle comes rear-wheel drive, comes with a 3.8 V6 with 311 horsepower. It can also come with a turbo 3.3T with 365. You can also get it with a 5.0 V8 with 421. Comes standard with leather, backup camera, push button start, what we call Blue Link. And Blue Link is a great security and safety feature, along with some other nice oddities that it has along with the system that I'll be glad to tell you about once you come in. You also get things like the panoramic sunroof, or you can get it with just a regular roof like here. Now, I do have quite a few of them in stock in a variety of different colors and packages. Now, it comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which we doubled to 20 years, 200,000 miles, at no cost and no strings attached. I also come with a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty. But some of the best features on this vehicle is that you get maintenance free for 3 years. You just take care of the gas and the tires, we take care of everything else. Matter of fact, you don't even have to bring it into the service department. You give us a 2-day notice, we'll pick that car up, bring your car to drive while we service your vehicle. Now, I am Tony, your preferred salesman here. You can reach me directly at 205-380-6250 or hit me on my personal cell at 205-335-3988. Give me a call. Let's set up a time for you to come in. I would love to sit down with you, answer any questions that you might have, go over options and features so we can basically match the car that you want, color and options and everything. And if I don't have it on the lot, I can get it for you within 2 to 3 days. That's no problem. So once again, give me a call at those numbers, 205-380-6250 or 335-3988, area code 205. I do hope to hear from you soon. Ms. Watson, you take care and you be blessed.